evening. My name is CB Tiwari. I joined the 4-day Core Asset Coach training program after having served for 3 decades in a multinational conglomerate running the HR department. When I joined this course, I was not very sure what this course has to offer me. However, after undergoing 4 days of rigorous training program, I realized this course has been designed after intense study and supporting a lot of small and medium business enterprises. During the course, I had several wow moments. One of the most memorable one was understanding the Accelerate formula. This formula is very simple. Just talks about transformation of your strategies, generation of leads, conversion of the leads to sales, and maximizing the customer value. The formula is very simple and practical, and it gives you the results if you follow it step by step and also monitor the progress from time to time. This Accelerate formula is supported by a proprietary software which helps you to monitor the growth of your business with the help of your core asset coach, and also monitor the progress that your business is making from time to time on the given parameters. Talking about Jayant, our coach, Jayant is a great facilitator. With his vast experience, he makes things very simple and practical to understand. Besides, he is also a very good human being. I am extremely happy that I joined this 4-day core asset coaching program. Having undergone this coach program, I feel extremely confident that I will be able to help the small and medium businesses to achieve exponential growth. The inputs given in this coach program are excellent. Thank you very much.